A shower?
Dude, I dare you to take it off. Actually.
You're drooling? Okay, who can jump and get on the next column fastest? Ready, go. Go, go. And then you gotta go back. You ready, go. That's a tie. You have to go, you have to do it twice. You have to go there and back, there and back. Ready, go. That's why you didn't follow directions. Wow, that's impressive, Jill.
I'm gonna do it. I'm not gonna get stuck.
See if Jake can do it.
Drop back down. Can I try his now? We appreciate you coming with us when we have fun. And today, we're at a playground. What we call a pirate ship park. The pirate ship park. And I'm gonna go climb that tree, but that tree already hurt me.
How did the tree hurt you?
Look! It scratched me. Look.
Let's see. Let's see.
We come around.
But trees don't do that. You went to climb on the tree. I can see right there. If there was like a lion or a tiger, what would you do?
I'll just go.
You would go pet him? He would probably eat you.
I can't!
Jill, you can't do that.
That's what I'm gonna do when we get 500 subscribers.
Do your favorite Fortnite dance.
Welcome to the battlefield.
Well, do your absolute favorite. He likes the regular floss better than the windmill floss, I thought. Okay, you got another boo-boo?
Yeah, I'm down. Let's go down. Look how fast this is. I'm gonna hit your legs. Look better back. You don't want to catch. I'm gonna go down a different way.
Where you going?
I got you.
Oh, Jill's pretty good at swinging, actually.
I give up.
On your mark, get set, go. Okay, apparently they're gonna go hide, and I'm gonna count. Ready or not, here I come. I wonder where they're hiding. Let's go find them. Let's see, did they hide in here? I don't think so. I heard something. Let's see if we go this way. Oh, there you are. Oh my goodness. We found you. Tag, tag.
Thanks for hanging out with us. Well, Jake went to go get some water. We need to go home because it's getting dark and we have school tomorrow.